Neme ajan gat kel ka gata konte chabuk keseluk.
Ya, neme jen gwadan ci daw pentin. Duel neme duel kel mi ci lel. Ci duel ñoo lel. La duel me ci ñoo bok. Kay duel to. Wira ke. Nanya. Kene da mo nak. Mandaro kaga. Lo ko kan ma tin ni da jogona mtot. Illa to ko. Ci nay ngon ba li kan telong. Can do it, did it.
Namajan do shell go shell or thin banana.
Neme ajan gat kel ka gata konte chabuk keseluk. Ci gan mano ken ci keliu. Yen ci agwente ma ta toaj. Ci wang de ale kompin ka do wadane ci bok. Yen ci ngayo na Salvakir kana Uganda ku kan target ne sharp la community. Jiram dum tire me tama ci mi yane de toje me. Ta balong kuje. Ci mandial da anak duel ci dama ñen karawada. Yen di won mo on be alimbo. Yeta yen wa to ne biya char wa ba e thor tel wan mi yaga tel ko mi tam ke chuye ke ta ke mi di kana wan ta gan ke wa ma ye man di al ki ke lu tam ji ma havas se ben gul ti ta te mi te ge se ben nen yen ye mo ken ya ha o ke rame chang na ko ne be chap ga su ba ga nak se ta ya ne ga dum ti mo su ko ko ai ne. Yeah, as you can see, this child has been survived from this village from environment that up in the Suluk areas. So this child is part of the community here. He survived only from the environment. The rest of his parents, they died. And now, as you see, the situation that he is now, you don't have any medicine, you don't have any food to eat. Just lay down there where it is upset. So you can see now the situation is they're horrible. Norway himself is the only man that served in this area. Her father, mom, other relatives, they are done. They are saying about the area. So you can see the situation is very worse for this child. So the whole world can see that South Sudan force and rescue them in Ghana are killing civilians in Wulang County and Nassau. You can see the situation now is really very worse. Thank you very much.
Namajan do shell go shell or thin banana. Duel get no. Con chile ne jado jen jado pa ne no partan tan enen kan maran I mean jen gwa chel maro ordan jen gwa de me tedin yal gare ti andare tom ide galandi ni de galandi ni Chào